Hey guys, this is a quick technology unboxing look review at the real-like USB-C dock and hub. So let's open it up and take a look. So pretty awesome. You have your USB-C for daisy chaining. More of these. You have USB 3.0. You have HDMI, and that's it. So if you want an extra monitor, there's no actual display in here, but some laptops and whatnot, they only come with the USB Type-C and no HDMI. So this is a great way to get HDMI on your laptop if you don't have that. And then it has 3 USB 3 ports and 1 C out, so you can daisy chain. Feels really nice. It doesn't have non-slip, so don't expect this to stay in one location. Ships with a protective connector for your C port. The cable is not braided, but it's a thick rubber and it's bendable, so it kind of stays a little bit. And this is definitely great to keep in your purse or briefcase and travel with to get some extra ports if you only have a couple ports on one side. So pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe for more technology unboxing, quick look and reviews, and I hope you have a great day.